Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be doing some decals on this, I think it's 2012 Dodge Charger. We're going to be doing some stripes along the side, which are those right there, and then some stripes on the hood, which are on my toolbox right here. So we're going to go ahead and get the car prepped and clay bar the parts that are getting decaled, make sure there's nothing stuck on the paint that I can get off. And then we're going to go ahead and clean it all with isopropyl alcohol. And then after that, figure out which part I want to start with. Start lining things up and laying it down. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know what you think in the description, in the comment section of this, and see you guys in the next one.